Are you planning a kitchen remodel? In today's video, I will share 10 tips that you should consider before diving into a kitchen renovation. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens, your source for beautiful kitchens. As we all know, the kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where meals are cooked, memories are made, and conversations flow. Whether you are an avid cook or simply enjoy spending time with family and friends, a kitchen remodel can breathe new life into your home and enhance its functionality and beauty. Let's dive into the video, shall we? Number one on my list, a functional layout. A well thought out layout is key to a successful kitchen remodel. Consider the kitchen workflow and the connection between the sink, stove, and refrigerator to create an efficient arrangement. Such layout minimizes unnecessary steps and maximizes workflow, which saves time when cooking or prepping meals. And of course, we recommend working with a kitchen designer who possesses the qualifications and the know-how to create this layout for you. A kitchen designer possesses specialized knowledge and expertise in optimizing kitchen layouts for efficiency and functionality. Designers understand the principles of kitchen layouts and the important relationship between the sink, stove, and refrigerator in facilitating a smooth workflow. By assessing your needs, preferences, and space constraints, a designer can create a layout that maximizes space, minimizes steps, and enhances the overall efficiency of your kitchen. Number two on my list, ample storage. Storage is crucial in any kitchen. Include plenty of cabinets, drawers, and pantry space to keep your countertops clutter-free and your kitchen organized. Customized storage solutions such as pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, and vertical dividers can optimize every inch of space. Number three, quality materials. Invest in high quality materials that not only look stunning, but also stand the test of time. From durable countertops like natural stones to well-made cabinets and quality faucets. Choosing quality materials ensures longevity and adds value to your home. Number four, energy efficient appliances. Upgrading to energy efficient appliances not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also saves you money on utility bills in the long run. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which indicates they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. Number five on my list, task lighting. Proper lighting is essential for a functional kitchen. Incorporate task lighting above the work areas such as the sink, stove, and countertops. Illuminate these areas for safety and efficient meal preparation. Under cabinet lighting can also enhance visibility and add ambiance to your kitchen. Number six, a multifunctional island. If you have the space, consider adding one. An island adds extra counter space for food preparation and serving, and it also can serve as a casual dining area. An island can provide extra cabinet storage or a workstation with a built-in appliances and even a sink. Number seven, easy to clean surfaces. I am a huge fan of natural stone, but sometimes man-made materials might be the best option. We recommend using low-maintenance materials that are easy to clean and resistant to stains, scratches, and heat. As I said before, I am a huge fan of natural stones for kitchen countertops, but I can also see why some of my clients choose quartz material. I like using porcelain tile flooring because it is stylish, hassle-free, and easy to maintain. Number 8, drawer storage. One can never have too many drawers. Drawer storage offers several advantages over traditional cabinets with doors. Drawers provide easier access to items stored within, allowing you to see and reach everything without having to dig through layers of stacked items. Drawers are ideal for storing pots and pans, utensils, and small appliances. Number 9 on my list, set a realistic budget and not the one you wish you had. Establishing a realistic budget for your kitchen remodel is essential. It is best to know what the remodel will cost rather than what one wishes it will cost. By determining your financial factors upfront, you can make informed decisions throughout the remodeling process, ensuring that your project stays on track and within your means. Additionally, having a clear budget helps prioritize expenditures and allocate funds to features and upgrades that matter most to you. While it is tempting to cut corners and opt for inexpensive materials to save money, investing in quality materials and craftsmanship pays dividends in the long run. High quality materials enhance the appearance of your kitchen, improve durability, functionality, and resale value. By setting a realistic budget and avoiding the temptation of inexpensive alternatives, you can eliminate stress and uncertainty from the remodeling process. This allows you to enjoy your new kitchen with confidence and peace of mind. And last but not least, number 10, personalized details. Pay attention to the personalized details that tie your kitchen remodel together. From cabinet hardware and faucets to the tile backsplash and paint colors, choose cohesive elements that reflect your personal style and complement the overall design scheme of your home. Finally, don't forget to add personalized touches to make your kitchen uniquely yours. Whether it's a built in wine storage, a coffee bar, or a cozy breakfast nook, infusing your personality into the kitchen will make it uniquely yours. In conclusion, a kitchen remodel is one of the best investments you can make in your home. And there you have it. With these tips, you are equipped to go kitchen shopping and have a successful kitchen remodel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and share if you find the content helpful. And don't forget to watch our other videos. And this channel is all about kitchen remodeling, kitchen renovations, and kitchen design. So come join me again next time as I will have another video. And if you are in Massachusetts and you're thinking of remodeling your kitchen, come see us as we would love to help you. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now. Bye.